Everyone loves a car that smells clean and fresh. Whether you are going on a long trip or just driving to the store, a pleasant smell in your car makes the ride more enjoyable. Thankfully, there are many simple and easy ways to keep your car smelling great all the time. The first and most important step is to keep your car clean. Remove trash daily. Empty food wrappers, bottles, and anything else that can cause smells. Vacuum your car weekly to remove dust, crumbs, and pet hair from seats and carpets. Activated charcoal bags are natural odor absorbers. They are small and easy to place under the seats or in the trunk. Charcoal absorbs moisture and bad smells without adding any fragrance. Car floor mats can hold dirt and smells. Clean the mats with a brush to loosen dirt. Then use soap and water for rubber mats, and vacuum or shampoo for fabric ones to remove stains and odors. Air fresheners are an easy way to make your car smell nice. It eliminates tough odors by reaching every corner of the car, including vents and hidden areas. It doesn't just mask smells, it neutralizes them and leaves behind a fresh, pleasant scent. Fabric seats can hold onto sweat, spills, and food smells. Use a car upholstery cleaner, or make a mix of warm water and mild soap. Gently scrub the seats and then dry them completely to prevent mold or damp smells. Sometimes smells come from inside the air vents. Spray a car vent cleaner, or a mix of vinegar and water into the vents while the air is running. This removes old dust and bacteria that can cause bad smells. If you drive in dusty or smoky places, keep your windows rolled up to stop outside smells from coming in. Use the Recirculate Air button on your AC to keep clean air inside the car. Food smells can stick around long after the meal. Try not to eat inside the car. If you do, clean up any spills or leftovers right away. Let your car breathe by opening the windows for a few minutes each day. Fresh air helps remove trapped smells and keeps the inside smelling clean. There are many car sprays available that give a quick burst of fragrance. Spray a little on the seats or carpet, but don't overdo it. A few sprays go a long way. The cabin air filter cleans the air that comes into your car through the vents. If it's dirty, it can spread musty or dusty smells. Change it every 6 to 12 months for fresh airflow. A clean filter also helps your AC and heater work better and keeps the air healthier to breathe. A great smelling car is not hard to achieve. With regular cleaning and some easy tricks, your car can always smell fresh and inviting.